Hi there, I'm Dr. Edling with OC Back and Body Doctors. People commonly ask me if chiropractic care is safe. Well, I can assure you that chiropractic has an excellent safety record. And this is due to the fact that chiropractors look at the body naturally and holistically. We don't prescribe addictive medications, and we avoid invasive procedures. In fact, if you take a look at the malpractice health insurance premium of a chiropractor versus a medical doctor, it's vastly different. The chiropractor's insurance premium is about $1,500 to $3,000 per year. The medical doctor's insurance premium is about $10,000 up to $100,000 per year. The insurance companies know what they're doing, and of course they're going to charge the higher premium to the higher risk. I also want to take a look at over-the-counter medications and how people are overusing these for their aches and pains that they encounter on a daily basis. In fact, did you know that getting a chiropractic adjustment is far safer for your headache or back pain versus taking an ibuprofen or a Tylenol? The third leading cause of death in the United States is side effects from medications. These are prescribed and over-the-counter medications. In fact, 1/3 of the deaths and hospitalizations as a result of intestinal bleeding is a result of NSAIDs or ibuprofen. So you can make the best choice for yourself to see whether chiropractic care is safe. Go ahead and check out our website below for more information on chiropractic care, and give us a call if we can answer any questions that you may have about any of your healthcare concerns. We're here to help you. We're here to give you a better quality of life because you deserve it.